By now, you have all heard about the new C8 generation of the Corvette, but this Hot Wheels version is fairly new, and now we get to compare to another Mattel brand. Mattel has given us a lot of new models from both Hot Wheels and Matchbox, and for today's video, let's see who does it better, Hot Wheels versus Matchbox, which will thrive. They look somewhat similar, with the Matchbox being wider and a little lower, a different shade of blue paint and different approach. The Hot Wheels looks more athletic, while Matchbox is more realistic. Painted headlights up front and a Corvette logo is decent. The lower grille is body colored, however, but it does have textured pattern, and the chin splitter is nicely shaped. Painted headlights and the Corvette logo as well on the Matchbox. The lower grille is detailed in black and it looks better, but the lower chin is a little smaller and subtle. Oversized rear wheel syndrome is apparent on the Hot Wheels, but the molding of the side intake and door lines is sharp. The Matchbox has none of those goofy large wheels. The character lines is good to go along with those dark chrome wheels. The rear couldn't be more similar. Check out the Matchbox flat rear end. That's not how the actual car would look like. Hot Wheels did a much better job at it being rounded. Painted details continues at the back. Excellent looking taillights, a Corvette emblem, and a black plastic rear valance. Matchbox has a nice looking taillight as well, but the Corvette license plate is a bonus. Dark gray lower valance is part of the plastic base. Molded side mirrors on both is a welcome feature. From this angle, the Matchbox is indeed wider, but that flat rear is tough to look at. Hot Wheels is a little longer. Here is the decent looking engine bay. It's part of the one-piece plastic interior. A much more sharper looking engine than the Matchbox, complemented with a clear tinted windows, is much easier to look through. So who does it better? Matchbox delivers more details and a realistic approach. The Hot Wheels looks good. I would say it's nice to have both. So what do you think? Comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.